How can you solve your Meesho app if it is not working? So this is the video is for you. So for that app, first you have to go in your Play Store. So that you have to search for the Meesho app. So even if you have downloaded and if it is coming for updated in your app, in my phone it doesn't show any update. So if in your phone it shows that it is updated, then make sure that you should be update the app first. After that only you can fix your problem in your app. So this how you have to do in your mobile. And after updating your mobile, you should come back in your um, mobile and come to the setting once. So after coming your setting, what you have to do, um, just come in the app management, come in the app list. After coming here, you should wait for the apps, and now you can see this. Here we have to search for your Meesho app. After that, at first you have to come in the permissions, and you should allow in every context, okay? In everything should be allowed. And after that, come to the storage users and make sure that you have to click in clear cache and clear data. After clearing this part, go your mobile uh, or refresh your mobile, okay? You can just switch off your mobile also, okay? So for that, so this is the video how you can fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video.